डिप्टी सीएम डीके शिवकुमार ने असेंबली में आरएसएस एंथम गाने पर आखिरकार माफी मांग ली है। इस मसले पर शिवकुमार ने खुद मीडिया के सामने आकर माफी मांगी और कहा, मैं जन्म से कांग्रेसमैन हूं और कांग्रेस में ही मरूंगा। गांधी फैमिली मेरी भगवान है, मैं उनका डिवोटी हूं। उन्होंने ये भी वाजे किया कि ये माफी किसी हाई कमांड के प्रेशर पर नहीं बल्कि अपनी मर्जी से दी गई है। उनका कहना था कि पार्टी का कोई भी लीडर या हाई कमांड ने उनसे कोई सवाल नहीं किया, लेकिन अगर उनके एक्शन से किसी को दुख पहुंचा है तो वो अफसोस जताते हैं। साथ ही उन्होंने अपनी वफादारी कांग्रेस और गांधी परिवार के लिए एक बार फिर दोहराई। डीके शिवकुमार की ये सफाई और माफी कांग्रेस की पॉलिटिक्स को कैसे असर करेगी? क्या पार्टी के अंदर उनकी पोजीशन और मजबूत होगी या और सवाल खड़े होंगे? ये देखना अभी बाकी है। आपका इस बारे में क्या ख्याल है? कमेंट्स में जरूर शेयर करें।
दिस वीडियो इज प्रेजेंटेड बाय OSN ग्रुप। आपके घर की क्वालिटी कंस्ट्रक्शन, प्रीमियम इंटीरियर्स और बेस्ट बिल्डिंग मटेरियल्स के लिए OSM रहेगा आपकी बेस्ट चॉइस। फ्री कंसल्टेशन के लिए जरूर विजिट करें OSM ऑफिस।
Sir, today I wish you all of you a happy Ganesha Chaturthi, Gauri Chaturthi. We all are celebrating. Today I am standing before you. I think the last 3, 4, 5 days back in the assembly on reference to the discussion on this IPL, right?
Oh, yeah.
IPL match issue to pull a leg to the leader of the opposition, Mr. Ashok. I just 2 or 3 sentences of their prayer. I don't mean that my intention are to praise them. As a political leader, as a history of political science, I did my PhD, my degree at the age of 47 in 2008. I was not a graduate when I became an MLA. I thought that I should be a graduate. From the year 1980, I started my political journey as a congressman. Before joining to the politics and joining to the NSUI, I have studied about the NSUI, about Congress Party, Gandhi family, then the contribution of Gandhi family, the history of the Congress Party, history of RSS, history of the BJP, history of Janata Dal, history of the Communists, history of IML and various political parties which are there in this country. So as such, it's my bound duty. Today, we know that what all the activities are going on. I don't want to disclose on that. I just committed and tried to pull the leg. Some of my friends are taking a political leaf out of it and try to misuse it and try to create confusion among the public. I would like to reiterate my loyalty to the Gandhi family and the Congress Party. Gandhi family cannot be questioned by anyone. I am a born congressman, I will die as a congressman. From the day, even my early days, you all remember that when Mr. Vilasav Deshmukh government was in trouble, I just brought here about 200 MLAs and made them. At that time, I know what difficulty I faced, how many cases happened. There was a press cutting in one of the media that I gave them deer meat and the big news, which I never knew about it. Then at the time of Gujarat parliament election, you know that more than 70 places there was a riot, more than 400, 500 cases against me and my family members, my relatives. How tortured I've been then. I was been in Tihar jail. I came out of Tihar jail. They put ED case on me. What happened to the cases? That case has been dismissed by the Supreme Court of this country. I have been suffered in the jail without even a chair sitting to it. I know how I lost my knee on this issue. Within 10 by 10, within the bathroom, without anything, in the cell, I know how I suffered. Anyway, that is a past story. I'll tell it that history someday in the assembly. So let all those things be on record. But if anyone want to know about my history, know about my commitment, know about my ideology, if they want to do politics within this, it is left to them. I don't want to comment. But if anyone has been hurt, some of my party colleagues are commenting on that. I don't like to be a congressman and I have a lot of followers and friends across the party line in different political party in the India group. I don't want to hurt anyone. I don't want to hurt their feelings. I would like, if anyone has been hurt, I feel sorry for them. I think I would like to seek apology to all of them, but not politically or pressurize on this. None of my party high command or anyone has asked any question on this. I would not like to reply to any one of them, but I would like to send a message across the country and my friends who have been supporting, including my media friends, that I stand committed as a loyal congressman. I will die as a congressman. I'll take my efforts, my loyalty to the Gandhi family, between the God and the idol and a common man. Bhakta and Bhagavanta. Huh? Devotee and God. So God, they are the Gandhi family is my God. I am their devotee. That is one. So today my Mallikarjun Kharge ji, my president, who have been working with him last 35, 40 years. With Bangarappa government also we have worked together. Today also I am working under him as the president of the party. They all have made me the president. I have not slept for a day from the day I took over the responsibility. I have been continuing it. As I made a research on the RSS and various political parties, I said that under Gandhi has completed 100 years, we should do 100 Congress Bhavan. Congress Bhavan should be treated as a temple. Temple. Who has taken this bold decision? Why have I taken this decision? To see that my party cadres should know the importance of a Congress temple in every assembly segment. That is my history. Whether I'm here, how long I'm here, how long I'm on leave, that is not important. I would like to remain in the history of my party. That is my commitment to the party. So I'm very thankful for all my friends who have been teaching me, who have been guiding me, who are supporting me, who have been criticizing me, who have been loving me, and a lot of them, they have given strength, including my media friends. I wish them all the best. Let us all work together.
So, despite proving your loyalty and commitment to the Congress party, your own party members are questioning your commitment, sir. Don't you think that it's a sad state of affairs? The Congress party?
I'm telling you, God has given them an opportunity. God has given them mouth. They feel happy in it. They feel love in it. Let they do. We wish them all the best. We know who are our friends. Let us understand our friends. They have given me good leave. I wish them all the best.